Hello everyone, welcome to Vajiram and Ravi's Data Stories, which is your one-stop solution for value addition in terms of data. In today's session, we are going to take up data related to infrastructure, and this will be continued over next 3 sessions. So today we are going to have a special focus on roadways and highways. So let us begin by looking at the aggregate numbers, bigger numbers first, starting with total network that we are looking at in terms of national highway, which is 1,46,342 kilometers. This is a number that has seen a huge jump from 91,287 kilometers in 2014 to this number that we are discussing. That means there has been a 60% increase in 11 years. As of now, we have the second largest road network present. Now, when we are talking about national highway construction, that is at 10,660 kilometers, which is 29 kilometers per day it is happening. But this is not the all-time high. The all-time high was in financial year 2024, where it was 34 kilometers per day. And as of now, if we are comparing to 2014, we have seen 150% rise. Apart from that, if we are looking at expressways and HHCs, then we are looking at 5,110 kilometer, increase from 93 kilometer in 2014, 55 times growth in terms of 4-lane national highways in last 11 years. Now, when we are looking at Ministry of Road Transport and Highways budget, that is also something exemplary in front of us, 2.72 lakh crores, which is a 570% increase from 2014. The investment have increased from 6.4 times, and what we are looking at is a drastic increase from only 8,000 crore in financial year 2004. So in last 20 so years, the monumental increase in investment and also the budget has happened. Apart from that, when we are looking at Prime Minister Gramin Sadak Yojana, the rural roads, we are seeing 99% connectivity in terms of habitation. We are seeing 7,80,401 kilometers completed. The target was of 8,37,000 kilometers, which was sanctioned. And as of now, there has been construction of 62,500 kilometer new roads on that. Now let us move into the details. Let us see national highway construction pace and also how the network has grown, especially when we are comparing it temporally over the years. So financial year 14, 11.6, and it has seen a huge jump to 29 kilometers per day in this very year. The all-time high was achieved last year itself. If you look at the national highway network, we are seeing that 60% has been added in 1 decade that we have just talked about. Apart from that, important numbers, 108% rise in national highway awards, 150% rise in construction in last 12 years. And we will be moving to further look into detailed understanding of Bharatmala Pariyojana and key expressway corridors. So when we are looking at Bharatmala Phase 1, sanctioned was 34,800 kilometers. That was awarded was 76% of that. That means 26,425 kilometer. Construction happened on 58.6. Then we have HSCs, that is high speed corridors, expressway growth. If we are looking at 2014, we only had 93 kilometers. If we are looking at 2025, it is 5,110 kilometers. That is an exponential rise, where we have key express such as Delhi-Mumbai, which is almost 1,300 kilometers, where the phase 1 has already been operational. Then we have Purvanchal Expressway in UP, 341 kilometers, Delhi-Amritsar Katra Expressway, Bundelkhand, and we are also seeing 26,000 kilometer economic corridors that are being targeted. Now moving further and looking at some numbers around landmark projects, special schemes, and also the challenges that are present in infrastructure, especially when we are talking about roadways. So as of now, National Highway Authority of India toll stands around 37,742 crore. It is expected to go to 1.40 lakh crores by 2028. Char Dham project, that is 825 kilometer, which has led to improvement of national highways, increase in tourism, and we have seen huge expenditure here. Apart from that, landmark bridges and tunnels have been created in last 11 to 12 years, be it Atal Setu Mumbai, the longest sea bridge. We have Bogibeel Bridge, the only railroad bridge which is present in Northeast. Tell me in the comment section in which state it is present. Then we have Zojila Tunnel, which is under construction, but the good news, last month only the final barrier blockade, that is the blasting of the end of tunnel, has been done and that will be finalized. We have Sonmarg Tunnel, Zimor, and we have Sudarshan Setu in Beth, Dwarka, which is the longest cable-stayed bridge itself. But when we are looking at challenges, we are seeing the national highway construction pace has dropped from 34 to 29 kilometers per day. Election year state clearances are the reasons that you are associated with. Land acquisition, a huge bottleneck till date. National Highway Authority of India debt, we have to look into monetization measures. Road accidents are huge in numbers, more than 1.7 lakh fatalities every year. And urban last mile congestion is something that you will see in all the megacities. Now that was all from my side for today's session. I'll be seeing you in the next one.